The graphic design job market isn't dying. It might already be dead. And the reason isn't Midjourney or Dolly or Adobe Firefly. It's something new, something Google just dropped, and barely anyone is talking about it yet. It's called Nano Banana Pro. And before you roll your eyes at the funny name, here's the part that should make every designer, marketer, creator, or entrepreneur pay attention. This model doesn't just generate images, it understands why you're making them. See, most AI image tools are great at making art. They produce beautiful pictures, but they don't know what you're trying to accomplish. That's why so many marketing images look off, why product mockups look inconsistent, and why AI keeps messing up logos, text, and anything that requires real-world accuracy. Nano Banana Pro flips that. This model knows facts. It knows context. It can read your references, understand your intention, and then generate images that are correct, not just pretty. And this is where things get uncomfortable for traditional design. While other models struggle to render clean typography or consistent branding, Nano Banana Pro can generate perfect text inside images, in multiple languages, with proper fonts, spacing, and visual structure. Posters, storefronts, packaging, labels, infographics, it nails them. It can pull in real information from search. Ask for a graphic about today's weather or last night's game, and it doesn't hallucinate. It grounds the details in real data. And unlike most models where your character or product changes every time you regenerate, this one stays consistent across a whole batch using up to 14 reference images. For storytellers, marketers, and product designers, that alone is game-changing. Here's what this means for you. You can produce campaign images with correct text in every language. You can generate product mockups from sketches without losing accuracy. You can create data visuals using real statistics, not guesses. You can build entire worlds, characters, scenes, or brand systems that don't drift. It's not here to beat Midjourney on creativity. Midjourney still dominates pure art. It's not here to beat OpenAI on cinematic imagination either. What Nano Banana Pro aims to dominate is usefulness. Utility is Google's strategy, and that's why people aren't ready for how big of a shift this might become. Nano Banana Pro is already creeping into Google Ads, Slides, Vids, the Gemini app, AI Studio, Vertex AI, and the Gemini API. Free users get small quotas, but paid tiers unlock a lot more. Of course, it's not perfect. It's experimental. It can misunderstand very abstract prompts, and it comes with the usual ethical concerns. But the direction is obvious. If you care about accuracy, consistency, or real-world context, this AI is closer to replacing workflows than any model before it. So, is the graphic design job market truly dead? Not today, but it's evolving fast, and the people who learn to use tools like Nano Banana Pro will replace the people who don't. If you want a head-to-head comparison between Nano Banana Pro and other leading image models, check out the next breakdown and subscribe for more updates like this in the big tech and AI world.